Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add yes or no options in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're creating forms, checklists, or any spreadsheet where you need simple binary responses that keep your data consistent and clean. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to modify. Once you're logged in and on your Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet where you want to add the yes or no options. Simply click on it to open it up. This will take you directly into the Google Sheets editor where you can start making your changes. Now find the cell where you want to add your yes or no dropdown. Right-click on that cell, and from the menu that appears, select dropdown. This is the key feature that will transform a regular cell into one with predefined options that users can select from. After clicking dropdown, you'll notice that a data validation rules panel appears on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll customize exactly what options appear in your dropdown menu. It's a powerful tool that ensures data consistency across your entire spreadsheet. In this panel, you'll see an item list section. By default, Google Sheets might provide some generic options, but we're going to customize these to fit our needs. Click on option 1 and change it to yes. Then click on option 2 and change it to no. These are the two choices that will appear in your drop-down menu. Once you've entered both yes and no as your options, go ahead and click Done at the bottom of the Data Validation Rules panel. This confirms your settings and applies the drop-down to that specific cell. You should now see a small arrow appear in the cell, indicating that it has drop-down functionality. Here's where things get really efficient. If you need this yes or no drop-down in multiple cells, you don't have to repeat this process for each one. Simply click on the cell you just created, and you'll notice a small blue circle at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag this blue circle downward to copy the drop-down to as many cells as you need. This fills all those cells with the same yes or no drop-down options, saving you tons of time. And that's it. You've successfully added yes or no drop-downs to your Google Sheets. This simple feature makes data entry faster and eliminates typos or inconsistent responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.